this has taken me so long to film. Okay, if you're watching this, it means that you are not subscribed to my channel yet. My name's Lucy. I'm a mum of 2 small people. I have a dog named Mr. Bob, a bearded dragon named Gecko, and my other half is Ben. I started this channel as an outlet for myself when I was in a really sad place in my life. I was suffering from depression and anxiety, and it has completely and utterly changed my life more than I ever thought it would. And I would absolutely love it if you would bonk the bell and the subscribe button, or both if you're feeling fancy pants, and join me in the online world of YouTube friendness, because it's amazeballs. I unbox stuff on this channel, I do bad makeup tutorials, I do shit to my hair, I do kids crafts, I talk about parenting, I do vlogs, I do cooking, basically anything that tickles my fancy, I put it on my videos. There is a child about to sneak in. Come here. And I would love it if you would be part of it with me. Say subscribe.